there are a lot of opportunity, and our expectations are high, and there are already some businessmen already moved with the JVs, and there will be others coming as well. And the opportunities increasing every day because people start recognizing the importance and the potentiality of the market.
So do you think there are more potentials to enhance the commercial ties between Pakistan and Saudi Arabia, and what are the sectors you are looking for?
We have no choice. We have to work hard to increase the trade and commercial ties between Saudi Arabia and Pakistan, because the current level is not meeting the expectation from both governments. So we are working hard to leverage that and to do more between both business community in the both countries. There are a lot of sectors, be it agriculture, livestock, IT services, human capital, minings, oil and gas, petrochemical, sportwear, energy, and also surgical. We will work hard to leverage and to increase the bilateral relationship in terms of trading and economical relationship between both countries, for the sake of business to begin with, and also to create the job opportunities for our lovely brothers in Pakistan by Saudi capital investment in Pakistan.
And what kind of products do you want from Pakistan in Saudi Arabia?
We are looking for many projects, livestock, agriculture, pharmaceutical, IT services, sportwear, textile, and others. Definitely there will be few and some project that is badly needed in Saudi Arabia, and likewise we have more than 11,000 factory, highly productive, with high quality, with high standard, exporting to everywhere in the earth. Okay, we would like Pakistani economy to take advantage of this, and to reach every house of Pakistan by exporting the right product with high quality, with reasonable price, with the right delivery to the Pakistani market.